Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 10 a.m.
10 a.m.
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
By the way, my name is Nhung. Nice to meet you.
My name is Ngọc. Nice to meet you too.
So the name is Ngọt.
Right.
May I ask you some questions about your personal hobbies?
Yes, go ahead.
Which song do you like best?
I like the song name Big Big World best.
Big Big World.
Yes,
Do you know who sings this song?
I don't know. I don't care much about the singer.
You don't care much about the singer.
Yes,
Can you sing it for me?
yes, of course. I'm a big girl in a big world. It's not a big thing if you leave me, but I do feel that I do miss you much.
Wow, you sing beautifully.
Thank you.
Do you know the song named Last Story?
Yes, of course. I like it very much.
Do you like it very much?
Yes.
Who's your most favorite singer?
My most favorite singer is Mỹ Tâm.
Mỹ Tâm?
Yes.
Have you ever heard about the Tweety?
Yes, I have. I've heard about them before. Sorry. Yes, I have. I've heard about her before.
You've heard about it before?
Yes.
What's your most favorite band?
My most favorite band is Bức Tường.
Bức Tường?
Yes.
Have you ever heard about One Direction?
Yes, I have. I've heard about it before.
You've heard about it before?
Yes.
Do you usually listen to music while studying?
Yes, I do. I do it very often.
Do you do it very often?
Yes.
Do you think that listening to music while studying is a good idea?
Yes, I do. I think that listening to music while studying is a good idea.
Do you think that listening to music while studying is a good idea?
Yes.
Why?
Because I can remember things better while listening to because I can remember things better while listening to music.
Because you can remember things better while listening to music.
Yes.
What do you do before listening to music?
I usually do my homework before listening to music.
Do your homework?
Yes.
What do you usually do after listening to music?
I usually cook dinner after listening to music.
Cook dinner?
Yes.
Thank you.
So welcome.
See you later.
See you later.
Ciao ciao.
Ciao, ciao.